I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews. You just saw today's video is an oatmeal pie. During my water pie video, I asked if anyone would like to see the oatmeal pie, and several people said yes, because it's supposed to taste like a pecan pie. It's another one of the depression pies that were popular back then. They were substituting oatmeal for the pecans. I decided to give it a try. I do like a pecan pie. So the filling does look like a pecan pie. You know, a pecan pie, the pecans usually sit on top. The same way the oatmeal was on top. So I did get a comment from someone that gave me a recipe for this, but it said not to use the quick oats, and that's all I have. And I have a big container of it. But all the recipes that I found said quick oats, so that's what I used. All right, so it does, definitely has the texture of a pecan pie with the filling. First thing I noticed right off the bat, it's not as sweet, which is good because a lot of times I feel that pecan pie is too sweet for me. I do like a pecan pie, but it's just usually really sweet. If I tried this without knowing, without seeing it, I wouldn't think it was a pecan pie. I don't know if I really get an oatmeal taste either. And the filling, definitely, I do get that consistency of a pecan pie. But, I mean, it's a good pie. All the different recipes that I read, I really thought it would taste more like a pecan pie. Or maybe there's other recipes that do taste more like it. Like the one that was sent to me mentioned toasting the oatmeal before, so maybe that would help give it a more nutty flavor. I don't know. It's not a bad pie. I would make it again. And if you're allergic to nuts, this is a good alternative to a pecan pie. We'll stop eating. Sorry for the background noise. As soon as I had started to record this, my neighbor decided to cut her yard. So anyway, it's a good pie, but don't go and think it's going to taste like a pecan pie. And then if you think it tastes like a pecan pie, you'll be surprised. But for me, not too much. But definitely a lot cheaper than a pecan pie, I can tell you that. All right, so that's it. If you've had one, let me know what you think. I think it tastes like a pecan pie or not. So that brings me to the question of the day. Pie related, what's your favorite pie? And if you've been watching at all, you know my favorite pie, of course, is the McDonald's old fried apple pie. Not an old fried apple pie, but you know what I mean, the old apple pie. I actually got an email from Cindy the other day, who was very excited. She went to McDonald's and she ordered 2 meals and they came with apple pies, and the little sticker on the box said fried pie. So she got excited for a minute, but then she opened it up and it was the baked pie. So very disappointing. But anyway, what is your favorite pie? Not necessarily a restaurant, but homemade, whatever. Let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up and hit the red subscribe if you haven't, and the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.